Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevrolet Trax and I will show you which fuses to check in case your radio is not powering up or if there is no sound coming from the speakers. This video will apply to Chevy Traxes made from 2013 all the way up to 2017. Now, some of the fuses will be located in a small fuse box in a passenger's cabin, and two fuses will be located in a fuse box in the trunk area. Okay, now to access the first set of fuses, you'll have to lower this small compartment right here, so open it up. Now I want to press these sides together and pull it down. You'll have, you see, these like black holders here, and lower it all the way down, and the fuse box will be just back there. I will turn the flash on my phone. If this is still on the way, you can completely remove it. You will also have two black holders here on the back, so you can just like lift it up and wiggle it out, you see. And now you'll have full access to all of the fuses. I'll just turn the flash here. Okay, and here are all the fuses. Also, on the back side of this compartment you will have a small fuse diagram. Now the first fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 32, which is a 15 amp blue fuse located in the bottom left corner, and this is your main radio fuse. So if your radio is not powering up, this is the fuse you will check. Just under it, this is a fuse number 33, red 10 amp fuse responsible for power to display. So if your display is not working, the screen is not turning on, this is the fuse you want to check. And these are the two fuses in this fuse box. And now I will show you two more fuses in the trunk area. Okay, so just like I said before, you'll still have two fuses to check in the fuse box in the trunk area, which is just behind this cover right here. Now to access these fuses and this cover, actually first you'll have to remove this plastic piece. You can do that by popping out these covers right here. Now you'll need to use something like a flat screwdriver. This is really not designed the best. You want to pop it off, and then you'll have two Phillips screws, and once you remove these, you just pop out this cover. Okay, so once you have this off the way, you'll have two clips on the bottom. Once you remove those screws, you can also just pop out this plastic cover. Again, you'll have to use your flat screwdriver just to pretty much pry it out here. Okay, and here is the fuse box, and again on the back of that cover you'll have a small fuse diagram. The first fuse you want to check here, it's a 25 amp fuse located here, and this is the fuse responsible for power to the amplifier. So if there is no sound coming from the speakers, this is the fuse to check. And in the end, if your Chevy Trax is equipped with navigation, you'll have to check fuse number 12, which will be located just here. Now my Trax doesn't have navigation, so I don't have this fuse, but this is just something you want to check in case you have problems with the navigation system. And that's it. Hopefully one of these fuses will be burnt out, and just by replacing it, that will fix your problem. If not, you will have to dig a bit deeper and look at the radio unit itself, the wiring issue, or the speakers. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.